Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
So today we are going to concentrate problems on test of significance of single population mean. The problem is test made on the breaking strength of 10 pieces of wire gave the following results. So 578, 572, 570, etc. up to 584 kg. So test if the main breaking strength of the wire can be assumed as 577 kg. So this is the large population given in the question. And if you see that the question is based on 10 pieces. So n is 10. N is 10, which is less than 30. We call that to be small sample test. Small sample test. Now, the question is the mean breaking strength of the wire can be assumed as 577 kg. That means it is a large population. So, mu is given as 577. So, you are going to calculate sample mean x bar and sample standard deviation yes. So, we don't know in the given problem. So, we have to calculate x bar. For that, we have to make use of a assumed mean. A formula which is di, which is xi minus a. So a is called assumed mean. So here the number of terms given pieces of wire is 10, which is an even number. So out of 10 pieces of wires, we can calculate the least term and highest term divided by 2. That is assumed mean we can calculate. So the least term is 568 and the greatest term is 596. So add up this. So 568 plus 596 divided by 2, which is so when you add and divide by 2, you get the answer as exactly 580. So this is your capital A. This is your capital A. Now we are going to calculate what is summation di and what is summation di square. So all the values you write on one by one for the 10 pieces of wire. For the 10 pieces of wire, all of you write on the term neatly, which is the term. So now you write on all the 10 values here and calculate one by one. So subtract 582 every time. So subtract 582 like that. Subtract up to the last term. You will get all those values simultaneously. Okay, in subtraction. Maybe in addition also you get it. Okay. Now you calculate what is di square. So square the term. So 60. 100, 144, 196, this term will be 100, this term will be 144, 12 square is 144, then 100, 196 and 4. So after calculating the square term, write down summation di. So add up all the terms, you will get the answer to be minus 68. When you add up here, you get summation di square is 1177. After calculating this, first calculate your x bar, which is 1 by n summation xi. We know the formula. We are doing with respect to assumed mean, so we will write 1 by n summation di plus a. which is 1 by 10 when you calculate by subtracting and adding and dividing, you get the answer to be 575.2. So which is x bar. Similarly, we have to calculate standard deviation, which is s square 1 by n sigma di square minus 1 by n sigma di the whole square. So substitute the term here, which is 1 by 9 sigma di is 1144 minus 1 by 9 minus 68 the whole square. So use your calculator to calculate this. So you get the answer as 68.16. Then this s square. So s should be the square root of this. You get the answer to be 8.26. So here the values for n is 10. So note the correction here. The n value is 10. N value is 10. So after calculating this all the sample standard deviation, now we will calculate the t value, which is x bar minus mu divided by s by root of n minus 1, which is x bar is 575.2 minus mu is 577 given in the question of whole population, and s is 8.26 divided by root 9. So when you calculate this, you get the answer to be minus 0.65. Since it is a two-take test, we are calculating which is mod t 0.65. Similarly, you have to calculate table value. Table value is degree of freedom alpha is 5% and take it here, which is 0.05, and degree of freedom is nu, which is n minus 1, which is 10 minus 1, which is 9. Okay. So for the t test, t 9 0.05 value is 2.26. So how to calculate for the normal table is here it is given like this. New value is given here 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 9. 0.5, 0. Yeah, like that. 0.05, like that. Between terms are there. So when you calculate the value for 9, so the corresponding term you have to write down here, which is 2.26. So now we have come to the conclusion. So conclusion. So you are going to compare mod t and t mu of alpha. Okay. So mod t value is 0.65. This one is 2.26. So obviously we know that this one is lesser than this. So h naught is accepted and h1 is rejected at 5% level of significance. So therefore, the conclusion is, therefore, the mean breaking strength of 10 pieces of wire can be assumed to be as 577 each. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.